Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with generations of Jensen generators. Starting off with the left as the oldest, that would be the horseshoe standalone magnet generator. This is from the mid 30s to maybe a little bit, well, they started in 32, so probably somewhere up until 37. And then we have the blue ones here, blue based, which probably 40s into almost the 60s. And then you've got the green based one back there that probably 60 on until they discontinued the cast iron ones. And then here we have a nickel plated one, which is the same base as the green one there. And then the modern ones up to date on the right. And as you can see, all the cast iron ones have been modified, longer axle. They're transmissions now, and they have an on and off switch on them. One thing I've noticed was kind of neat was I thought the cast iron bases were all the same. They are not. The older ones have a little bit bigger hole in the bottom than the more modern green based ones. A little bit newer version. So I just thought that was kind of neat. Probably nearly ½ inch less wide on the green one as the blue ones. So I suppose that's one way you can kind of tell the vintage of them apart. But I just thought I'd take a minute and video what I've amassed here. Don't usually have that many in-house at one time, and thought I'd take a rare opportunity to shoot them all together. So anyway, thanks for indulging me, and thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. And have a good day now. St. Paul Steam saying goodbye.